Taha, now you can start the program.
Yes, sir. We can start.
Yeah. Hello, Taha.
Hello. Yes, sir.
Tell the emoji to start the program.
Yes, sir.
Now all of you can on the video also. Keep the microphone on mute and all can open the video. Our chief guest, Sri Bhaskar Bhai Patel, has already come. Request Tanya to please start the program.
Yes, sir. Good morning, everyone. I, Tanya Gangwani, welcome everyone to the first e-magazine launch of our college. It feels great seeing the overwhelming number of audience and their contagious enthusiasm. Before we kickstart the ceremony, I would like you to know that we are going on live on Facebook simultaneously. On behalf of the College of Architecture SVIT fraternity, I would like to welcome our chief guest, Chairmanist Shri Bhaskar Bhai Patel, guest of honor, trustee member Shri Bhavesh Bhai Patel, and other invited guests. Principal Engineering SVIT, Professor Sriram Toliwal, Principal College of Architecture, Professor Sailesh Nair, Head of Department of Interior Design, Professor Ronak Patel, Editor of the magazine, Professor Rohini Kachru, SPRY Committee President Kuldeep Chauhan, Vice General Secretary Athira Nair, and Member Student Editorial Team Samar Doshi. We are very delighted to have you here on the panel. The motto of our college has always been to make our students best in every field. Thus, the theme of the magazine, Continuum, which means striving towards the excellence, is absolutely apt. Now, I would like to invite the SPRY Committee President, Kuldeep Chauhan, to speak a few words.
Good morning to one and all present here. I would like to thank everyone present here, starting from our chief guest, Chairman Nest Sri Bhaskar Bhai Patel, guest of honor Bhavesh Bhai, Secretary Nest S.D. Toliwal sir, Principal of Architecture Professor Sailesh Nair sir, HOD of Interior Professor Ronak Patel, Festival Conveyor Professor Ashwin Mukul, and all the faculty members, committee, and students for gracing the event. In this era where literally works are produced, processed, published, and documented through the digital media, we are glad to launch the first ever online version of the college magazine for the year 2019-20.
ऐसा जो जोड़ा है
We had an amazing festival with events such as seminars by famous architects like architect Anup Desai, architect Chirag Pandya, workshops such as deployable workshop, Linocut workshop, wood joinery workshop, painting workshop, exhibitions, decorations, design competitions, cultural night. My sincere gratitude to all the committee members, faculty, and staff members of the college who are always there to guide and support us throughout the festival. The journey of being the president of the college has been a memorable one. That despite our first batch of 40 students, we put in all our efforts to make every event at college successful. So I would like to thank all my classmates who had worked so hard to make each event a joyful and a memorable experience. Also, thanks to our VGS Athira Nair Treasurer Devanshi Sitipura, Secretary Heta Shah, and each and every working hand who made this event successful by working behind the curtains. A big thank you to our sponsors, without whom this event would not have been possible. I am very grateful to have had this experience as it has helped me learn and enrich my personality. Thank you.
Thank you, Kuldeep. Moving on, I request Athila Nair, our VGS, to share her views.
Thank you, Tanya. Good morning, Manana present here. First of all, happy Teachers' Day to all our gurus. It's really a great opportunity for me to admit my very first speech, and the best part is that it's happening in online medium. So, at this moment, I would like to extend my warm welcome and sincere gratitude to our Honorable Chief Guest, Shri Bhaskarbhai Patel, Chairman NEST, Guest of Honor, Shri Bhaveshbhai Patel, Secretary NEST, all trustee members, Principal Engineering, Shri S.D. Tuliwal, Principal College of Architecture, Professor Shailesh G. Nair, HOD, Interior Design, Professor Ronak Patel, and all our invitees for this event. If you can fly high, then run. If you can't run, then walk. If you can't walk, then crawl. But by all means, keep moving. Beautiful words from Martin Luther King Jr. None of us can do great things alone, including me. But all we can do is a little things with great love and dedication. Most importantly, great things can be achieved when we work in unity. When I was nominated for the post of Joint Chief Secretary to represent Department of Architecture, I was so nervous to take it. But it was the constant support and trust of our faculties over me that pushed me to do my best with my responsibilities. Being the VGS, I learned a lot while working as a team, how to be reliable and independent with the time. Most importantly, I learned that working as a team is more about management. Basically, it's through curiosity and looking at the opportunities in the new way that help us to map out our path. Curtain falls on yet another eventful year for SVIT. Finally, the time has come for us to work on our shortcomings and humble ourselves for all our successes. Our college has yet again succeeded in providing students with meticulously and carefully planned mix of academics and extracurriculars, through which all SVITians have proved yet again that it's not just studies that we excel in, but every single endeavor that we choose to do. So here we are with our editorial being launched, namely Zestopus Continuum. Continuum meaning a coherent whole characterized as a collection or a sequence. A college magazine is an integral part of college life, and Continuum is a symbol of pride and miniature representation of our college. Continuum is a platform that helps us to promote creativity and nurtures the latent skills of young mind. It is a symbol of the growth of our college. This valuable publication is an opportunity that student requires to showcase their creative talents. Along with academic studies, students of SVIT are encouraged in games and athletics, arts and craft, dramatics, and various other activities. This makes the years in the college interesting and worth remembering. Continuum is the window to activities of our college. Publishing a magazine is a long drawn-out process, but none of these accomplishments and laurels would have turned into realistic goals without the constant encouragement of highly skilled teaching and non-teaching staff of this campus. The encouragement and involvement from the faculty members has been a strong catalyst on which we, the students, have built up our successes, whether they be in academics or lifting the college's name elsewhere. So for those SVITians who are leaving the campus this year, Continuum is a memory of the wonderful journey of their college life. While for those who are still pursuing their dreams, here it is a charge on. Finally, I would like to take this moment to appreciate the collective team efforts of our editorial team to bring Continuum as a realistic goal. I extend my sincere gratitude to our Professor Rohini Kachru for her wholehearted dedication and guidance for the magazine. Thank you, ma'am. Once again, I would like to thank Principal Professor Shailesh G. Nair, HOD BID Professor Ronak Patel for giving me this opportunity to express myself on behalf of Students Committee. Thank you.
Thank you, Athira. Now, I would like to invite Samar Doshi, member student editorial team, for taking the responsibility to bring this magazine to the students' interest.
Well, good morning, all. I hope you're having a pleasant morning. I'll just keep my speech short and sweet. The one main thing I learned during the magazine team was that patience and perseverance definitely gives you results. Yes, a couple of days back, or I guess a week back, we had many errors. We had many ups and downs. But the one thing the team never lacked was full dedication. All the errors we had, all the mistakes we did, we corrected it with the full enthusiastic way as we were before. With this note, I would just like to share my heartiest thanks to our principal, Nair sir, Rohini ma'am, Parita ma'am, Jayashree ma'am, Taha sir, Jwalan sir, Dhwani ma'am and Yamini ma'am, along with Shail and Tanya to be a part of the team and help us in each and possible way. One thing about the continuum I would like to share is that the word continuum means a never-ending process. So I sincerely hope that you all love this magazine and all the upcoming batches of SUIT definitely keep this magazine a part of every year annual function. So I'm sure that you will love the magazine and waiting for the positive unveil of the magazine from all the chief guests and all the faculty members. Thank you.
Thank you, Samad. Now, I would like to invite Professor Ashwin Mukul, conveyor Zestopus, to speak a few words.
Everybody, thank you, Tanya. I, Professor Ashwin Mukul, welcome you all on this landmark and iconic occasion of launching of our annual e-magazine, online magazine, Zestopus Continuum. The large purpose of education shall be service of mankind. Much before COVID-19 pandemic, which shook the whole mankind existence, as well as we all have been seriously suffered its wages. College of Architecture had yearly festival on 25th, 26th and 27th February 2020, organized jointly by Students Council, Zestopus, and SUIT Vasat Management under Vart Bhavi. Parivartan Nirantar was the theme. I, Professor Ashwin Mukul, take an immense pleasure to present you all the proceeding of Zestopus 2020 as convener of College of Architecture and Bachelor of Interior Designing Student Festival. First, I would like to congratulate Principal, College of Architecture, Professor Sailesh Nair, and HOD, Bachelor of Interior Designing, Professor Ronak Patel. Also, my thanks to all trustee members, New English School Trust, Chairman Shri Bhaskar Patel, for their support to make successful and remarkable annual Zestopus 2020. In this passage of convener, I would thank from bottom of my heart to all the students who worked really hard and selflessly showing interest in making the festival a grand success. I would thank all our staff, teaching as well as non-teaching, to remain with the students in difficult as well as happy times. Our students of 4th year, 8th SEM, 2016 batch took great responsibility with motivation and interest to make Zestopus 2020 a great success. Starting from poster making, exhibition of the best students' work of all the years, college interiors as well as exterior decoration, inviting guests, getting sponsors for competition, workshops, lectures, food, transportation, stage decoration, DJs, and prize distribution. Festival which started with interesting workshops and lectures by eminent speakers, which really educated our students as well as have given to faculties a different perspective for teaching. I am proud to write here that the first time in history of College of Architecture and Bachelor of Interior Designing annual festival Zestopus 2020, all students' parents were invited with other professionals and academicians for high tea to interact with the college faculties and staff at venue in front of our new college building, which is presently under construction, and soon will be ready to be occupied and functional. Festival's inauguration by Chief Guest Shri P.L. Sharma, Chief Town Planner of Gujarat State, Chief Guest of Annual Day Celebration, VC, SP University Shri Shishir Kulkarni and Dean Faculty of Architecture Shri Shastri Sir graced the institute with recognition and praises on visiting college premise and seeing the work of the students of College of Architecture and Bachelor of Interior Designing in the exhibition. Students worked really hard to make Zestopus 2020 annual day function a grand success by different performance, skits, dance, fashion show. Decoration of college building and stage stood out as well as became eye-catcher for anyone and everyone. Visitors were seen taking selfies in front of wall paintings and installation done by students. Here, ending my message by bow to Goddess Saraswati to keep her blessing on all of us. Thank you very much.
Thank you, Arjun sir. Further, I would like to invite Professor Taha Padrawala to share his views.
Hello. Good morning, everyone. I feel deeply honored here today as well as very nostalgic for getting this privilege of welcoming you all here as a president of SA, SOAT's Architects Alumni Association. I always appreciate this idea of alumni association, which creates a special bonding between the students who have graduated and who have already established themselves in this professional work. I believe as an alumni association is a perfect platform for you all to meet your peers and faculties and revive the contacts. As an architect, we always love to study chaos, and the same way we find order in our professional life by connecting with our alma mater. You all are always welcome here to actively participate in college activities and to give your kind suggestions and concerns and true opinions. COSVIT Vasad has always set for higher goals to attain. The management, especially Chairman Sir, Principal Sir, and all other faculties, including me, are striving to attain perfection. It's a long process, but it's game. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Moving on, I request Professor Ronak Patel to share his views on extending the SVIT family by adding BID to it.
Good morning, everybody.
Good
It's a
morning.
very pleasant day with a beautiful sun in the atmosphere. So I welcome you here on this wonderful occasion of launching the magazine. I also thanks to our chief guest, Sri Bhaskar Bhai Patel, for being our chief guest in this particular occasion of first time in the online mode. I also thanks Bhavesh Bhai Patel to come online as well as I also thank Professor Shailesh Nair sir and Professor Dr. Toliwal sir to be the main curtain behind this whole event. I would like to thank the entire magazine team as well as the students' councils who worked day and night continuously for making this program successful. Here, I would like to share about few things about the interior design and the designing course. Interior design is a very good opportunity in today's life, as we know that practically what interior design does, and this course offers a lot of opportunity along with the architecture. Same thing, I would like to share that the students who are studying commerce and arts in which is like 10+2 and other diploma courses like civil and diploma in architecture and interior design, they can also apply for this wonderful bachelor's of interior design course with a 4 years program and with minimum fees, right? This SVIT College of Architecture provides you a less fees and maximum knowledge where you can spend your life, get knowledge with minimum fees. I would like to say further about this program is that few students are unaware about this programs and they can participate in this program, not here but anywhere in this particular program and they can make their career best. Finally, I would like to say that in the previous videos of the Professor B.V. Doshi sir, that celebration has just started and the SVIT has just started every now and then, and it will continue till the end when the last breath of this particular institute will run. So I once again thanks to everybody and to be in the celebration mode of today's great occasion. And I would like to thank Professor Rohini Kachru and the entire magazine team to make these programs very successful. Thank you, Tanya.
Thank you, sir. Now, I would like to invite Professor Rohini Kachru, the editor of the magazine, to tell us about the experience in making this magazine a successful annual ritual.
Good morning to one and all. I, Rohini Kachru, Assistant Professor, College of Architecture, SVIT, cordially invite and welcome you all to this grand event of the new online venture, The Continuum, RE Magazine. I am very overwhelmed to invite our chief guest, Shri Bhaskar Bhai Patel, Chairman NEST, guest of honor, Shri Bhavish Bhai Patel, Secretary NEST, Shri S.D. Toliwal, Sir, Principal Engineering, Professor Sailesh Nair, Principal College of Architecture, SVIT, Head of Department, Interior Design, Professor Ronak Patel, Sub-President, Professor Taha Padrawala, SPRI Committee President Kuldeep Chauhan, Vice General Secretary Athiya Nair, Secretary SPRI Hekta Shah, Student Magazine Convener Samarth Doshi. In this era where literary works are produced and processed, published and documented through the digital and cyber media, the College e-magazine is an endeavor to keep pace with the changing nature of readership and accessibility. We hope that the e-magazine will reach out to a larger circle of readers, both within and beyond the college. So here you have continued at last a long journey of 6 months to this date of publishing e-magazine has been a roller coaster ride. Initially, the launching of the magazine was decided by the end of the March, but as pandemic hit, which got all of us into the box, the dream of Continuum looked ambiguous. But as locale started to shape up, we got something motivating us to get things moving, as it has been for all of us to bear a heavy loss of mankind. We hope to see a new beginning. This yearbook takes you through a journey of thoughts, achievements, hard work, aggression, efforts, dedication, fun, excitement, enjoyment, compassion, and the list goes on, something which cannot be expressed through words. Here, I would like to thank my entire editorial team, Professor Taha Padrawala, Professor Jayashree Mishra, Professor Parita Jani, Professor Rachna Gala, along with Students Magazine coordinators, Samarth Doshi and Tanya Gangwani, for putting precious time and effort out of their curriculum for the magazine. Samarth, you have been very focused and constant. Thank you. Special thanks to Professor Dhwani Bhavsar, Professor Jwalant Shah, Professor Yamini Shah for filling up the gap and making the event successful. My heartfelt thanks to Principal Professor Sailesh Nair for believing in me and making the event a great achievement. Your support was a prime motivator for us. Thank you so much, sir. I would like to express my gratitude to Chairman SVIT and all the trustees and management team to have faith in us. I express my appreciation to students for helping out in every possible way by contributing for magazine. Students have really been on toes for this endeavor. Also, to all the authors of the magazine, I deeply thank all the non-teaching and administrative staff for being a strong pillar. Thank you all.
Thank you, Rohini ma'am. Further moving on, I would like to invite our principal, Professor Sailesh Nair, to share his views about this very first e-magazine.
Good morning, one and all. First, I thought I will give a grand speech on this occasion of Teachers' Day, but hearing everybody, I think that I should keep my speech very short. First and foremost, let me wish all the teachers, all the faculties of our college, of entire SVIT, a very happy Teachers' Day. Respected Chief Guest, Sri Bhaskar Bhai, Guest of Honor, Bhavesh Bhai, my counterpart of engineering, Sri Dr. S.D. Toliwal sir, all faculties, my dear students. It gives me immense pleasure on today, and I thank the management for having put a big responsibility on me as principal of this college. When I took up this charge, the festival was on, most of the part of the festival was ready. So first of all, let me thank my ex-principal, Professor Pragnesh Jha, who has put big effort in making this festival to the mark what you have seen. After the festival, the program was so good, so up to the mark that the standard has gone off, SVIT has gone up. But unfortunately, after the festival, the big pandemic situation came. We were not able to come out with this magazine at that time. But SVIT has always took challenges every year. On this 20th year also, with the challenge of COVID situation, we kept our spirit high and we took up the online teaching mode. We had our juries, we had our teaching also of last semester, we did our marking at par with all other colleges and at par with the expectation of SP University. During the pandemic situation only, we approached the SP University to start our master's course for the next year. We filled up the form, every formality was being done and it is under process. And most likely by next year, we will be able to start our first master's course of SVIT, Architecture College, sorry. Also, we started with revitalizing our alumni association. We took up the record of the last 20 years and the record is almost ready. We will be approaching them. We will be having a meeting with them and we will make this body very organized and professional system. Now our new building is also under construction and most soon we will be shifting to our new building with all other infrastructure facilities. During this pandemic situation also, we took up the challenge of organizing various webinars and on various topics like urban design, landscape, GIS, heritage, conservation, and now the education series. And this webinar has been appreciated. We also appreciated by various professionals also and various other colleges also. The strength of our college is always the faculties. We have a good cross-section of faculties where we have seniors, middle, and juniors faculties. Now we have a bunch of tenure faculties being appointed 2 weeks back. This entire fraternity, entire faculty team is giving a good response, and the outcome is you can see in the the magazine which will be released soon by our chief guest. Lastly, the admission process is going on. We have also started with a help desk corner in Baroda city. The details will be shared soon to our students also, and we want the students also to motivate your juniors, your school students to take admission in our college, which is a big responsibility to your alma mater, which will be big give back to your alma mater. Lastly, I am thankful to the entire magazine team for having put up a wonderful show, and specifically in the last 3-4 days they have worked day and night to come up with this magazine, and that also to release it in the online mode. Now, I request Sri Bhaskar Bhai Patel, Chief Guest, to give me permission to launch the magazine. So, with your permission, sir, we'll give you the launch.
Yes, we can open the e-magazine, sir.
Okay. Taha, please start the e-magazine.
Everybody.
I would like to
Yeah, Tanya.
invite our guest of honor, Shri Bhaskarbhai Patel, to speak a few words.
I congratulate the principal, College of the Architecture, SVIT Varsad, Professor Sailesh Nair, for the e-launch of the college magazine Continue. I also congratulate the faculty, Professor Rohini Kachru, and the entire magazine team for these wonderful efforts. The magazine showcase the philosophy of the College of Architecture and activity undertaken by the Institute of the year 2019-20. I am very happy to see that event in the pandemic situation. The Architecture College is performing the academic requirements along with the several series of webinars to benefit the students by this online teaching mode. The extracurriculum activity like NASA, Ganpati celebration are keeping all of us connected with each other. The construction of our new College of Architecture is also going smoothly. From this platform, today I welcome new students who wants to take admission in architecture and interior design to this vibrant environment. Thank you all. Happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you, sir. This
Thank
was
you, sir.
very enlightening for us. I would like to invite Heta Shah, General Secretary, for the vote of thanks.
Thank you, Tanya. A very good afternoon to our chief guest, Chairman Nest Shri Bhaskarbhai Patel, Guest of Honor Shri Bhaveshbhai Patel, dignitaries present Principal Engineering Professor Sriram Toliwal, Principal College of Architecture Professor Sailesh Nair, HOD BID Professor Ronak Patel, my exemplary mentors and wonderful fellow mates for being with us on this virtual platform. My journey as a secretary of SPRI committee can be considered as one of the best experience of my lifetime. The joy of working together and creating such an outcome with the best of SVIT team will always be memorable. It is a matter of pride for us to witness this launch of our yearly magazine. Creativity at its best can be experienced in the magazine, which encompasses educational as well as social arena. A yearly magazine which comprises each and every sector of college cannot be built in a day. It takes time, perseverance, and beyond that, dedication. At the outset of this ambience of Google Meet, I consider it to be my sheer pleasure and absolute honor to congratulate everyone in the process of building this magazine from scratch. This pleasant juncture has bestowed me an opportunity to acknowledge the immense contribution of each and everyone who made this possible and brought this to a reality. I wish to congratulate to the limelight the extraordinary efforts of our writers, editors who have put into make this grand success. I wish to thank our team and everyone who has worked upfront or in the background and congratulate for this extravaganza. I hand over my charge to the upcoming SPRI committee and wish every success and even more extravagant events in upcoming years. Thank you, Tanya, for the wonderful MOC.
Thank you, Heta. The hard work of the students and the teachers can be seen in this wonderful 1920 yearbook. As we can all see, the balance has been maintained between the co-curricular activities and studies. Thus, I would like to end the event by thanking the audience for being patient and supportive about the magazine launch. Now, I would like to hand over the stage to Ms. Khan for the Teachers' Day celebration. All invited guests may join us for the function. Thank you and happy Teachers' Day.
Thank you so much, Tanya. I wish a very good afternoon to one and all present here. I hope you all are at best of your health. I'm Muskan from third year. Heartily welcome our chief guest, Shri Bhaskarbhai Patel, and guest of honor, Shri Bhaveshbhai Patel. I extend a cordial welcome to our Principal Professor Sailesh Nair and Principal of Engineering Department, Mr. S.B. Toliwal, and all the faculty members. I also welcome all the students present for this event. We've gathered here to celebrate Teachers' Day. Teachers are the nation builders as well as mentors. They spread the light of education and knowledge all around. I wish a very happy Teachers' Day to all the faculties. The celebration is marked by Guru Puja, that is by ritualistic respect to our Gurus. So let's begin today's program with fervent prayer. I request ours to present.
Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwara, Guru Sakshat Param Brahma, Tasmai Shri Gurudev Namaha. Tasmai Shri Gurudev Namaha.
गुरु यस्य नामस्य अर्थम् एवं महान् इति गुरु अज्ञानातिमिरान्धस्य ज्ञानाञ्जनशलाकया चक्षुरुन्मीलितं येन तस्मै श्री गुरवे नमः। अर्थात जो ज्ञान रूपी अंजन की शलाका से हमारे जीवन के कोई भी क्षेत्र का अंधकार दूर करे, हमारे चक्षुओं को नई दृष्टि दे, ऐसे श्री गुरु के चरणों में मेरा शत शत प्रणाम। Me Forum Pandya from 2nd year architecture, wishing you many happy Teachers Day to all my teachers and SVIT family.
सारथी गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु है विष्णु। गुरु वो जो कदाचित हमें उचित मार्गदर्शन, वो जो सदैव प्रगति के पथ पर ले जाए, वो ही हमें जीवन मात्र का अनेक भेद समझाए। गुरु सारथी गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु ही विष्णु। गुरु वो जिसको भगवान के बाद पूजा जाए, वो जो सदैव बिना किसी लोभ के अमूल्य ज्ञान बांट जाए, वो ही पग पग पर संग रहकर एक क्षण खुद ही कहीं खो जाए। गुरु सारथी गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु ही विष्णु। गुरु की अनुपस्थिति से जीवन मात्र का अर्थ बदल जाए, अति आवश्यक ज्ञान मेघ बरस न पाए। गुरु की अनुपस्थिति जीवन भर की एक सजा बन जाए। गुरु सारथी गुरु ब्रह्मा गुरु विष्णु। I myself Salak Chakwani, student of SVIT Architecture 2nd year, wants to tell every faculty a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Glancing at a mirror, I stand and appreciate the reflection. Adore the human figure, but disregard the imperfections. Growing up, the tables turned and reality hit hard. Was it a privilege or a boon? The teachers were always at my guard. Dreams floating high, but no one to rely. Holding my hand, you taught me how to fly. World was big, with riddles and mystery. The reflection of your knowledge led me to the victory. Patience and courage were just life laws, but you showed me that maybe they were the flaws. And now when I see my reflection, I see you nearer, because little did I know that teachers were the real mirrors. I am Bashvisha from 3rd year, wishing you all a very happy Teachers Day. Thank you.
Hello everyone, this is Sakshi Shah from Bachelors of Interior Design. Today I am here to dedicate a poem to my teachers. ये एक अटूट रिश्ता होता है, ये बेनाम वाला रिश्ता होता है, ये कोई काम का नहीं, बस एक दूसरे को सीखने और सिखाने का जिंदगी का हिस्सा होता है. As we all know, teachers are our second parents. शैलेश सर, आप जैसे प्रिंसिपल तो हमें कहीं मिलेंगे ही नहीं. आपका हार्ड वर्क और SVIT को ब्रांड बनाने वाली चीज़ तो हमें कहीं दिखेगी ही नहीं. रौनक सर, #HOD of Interior Design. आपका 500 रुपये वाले हिसाब का तो कुछ जवाब ही नहीं. आपके चिल मारने वाली बातें, सबमिशन मांग लेने वाली बातें का तो कोई मुकाबला ही नहीं. सुषमा मैम, आपकी बताई हर चीज़ भी हमें समझ आती है, स्पीकअप वाली बात भी समझ आती है. आपके हम्बल और पोलाइटनेस ने बहुत सी चीज़ें सिखाई है. श्वेता मैम, आपके मोटिवेशन की तो बात ही निराली है. जब भी नेट चालू करे और कॉपी करने का सोचे तो आपकी सिखाई हुई बात याद आती है. कॉपी मत करो, सोचो सोचो, खुद से सोचो। रचना मैम, आपके तो नाम का मतलब ही बताता है, आपकी तो क्या ही बात करें। आपने हमें खुद करो, वाई शुड वी गिव एग्जाम्पल्स करके कितना कुछ सिखा दिया, तो अब छोटी छोटी चीज़ें करने का खुद से मन करने लगता है। लोकनाथ सर, आपका मोटिवेशन तो वाह वाह वाह। हो सकता है, और करो, और अच्छे से हो सकता है। इतना मोटिवेटेड रहते हैं कि अब हम जो नहीं हो सकता उसे भी करने में अपनी जान लगा देते हैं। दीप सर, आपके तो बोलने में ही एक अलग टशन है सर जी। आपके वो बॉसी स्टाइल और साइलेंट रहने का भी अलग ही टशन है। प्रियश भाई, क्या सर आप अगर एडमिन स्टाफ नहीं होते तो हमारे कितने एक्स्ट्रा चार्जेस बच जाते। आपको वो फी पेमेंट कर दो में हमारे पैसे बचाने की भावना दिख जाती है हमारी। राजू भाई, अपने जोरदार भाई, आपसे जो ज्ञान मिला वो तो कहाँ ही मिलेगा। ऑफलाइन हो या ऑनलाइन, आपका बताया हुआ नॉलेज वाला पार्ट हमेशा हमसे अलग कभी नहीं हो पाएगा। प्रवीण भाई, सच अ फूडी, आपके साथ खाने में अलग ही मज़ा है। आपके साथ कोई सज़ा नहीं, मज़ा ही मज़ा है। सो इन द एंड आई वुड जस्ट वांट टू से, एक बार के लिए बच्चा टीचर के लिए बुरा हो सकता है स्कोल्ड होने पे, पर एक अच्छा और सच्चा टीचर हर बच्चे को सच्चा और अच्छा बना ही देता है। थैंक यू। हैप्पी टीचर्स डे।
Hello everyone, I'm Ruti. I've written a small poem which I would like to dedicate it to all our teachers. Like a candle you burn, brightening our lives with every turn, dedicating every inch of your soul, acing every role, being everything between our friend and mentor, keeping us in an environment we adore, motivating us at every door, building a foundation, ultimately for nation. You are strong, powerful and sturdy. Thank you for making our lives worthy. Thank you.
आज हम सब यहाँ पर शिक्षक दिवस मनाने के लिए उपस्थित हुए हैं। अब मन में सवाल आता है कि इस दिवस में ऐसा क्या खास है कि हम सभी अपने महत्वपूर्ण कार्य छोड़ के यहाँ उपस्थित हैं। तो मैं बताना चाहूँगा, यह दिवस प्रतीक है ईश्वर समान उन शिक्षकों का जो हम विद्यार्थियों के लिए एक उज्जवल भविष्य की नींव रखते हैं। यह दिवस प्रतीक है महर्षि वाल्मीकि से लेकर चंद्रगुप्त जैसे साधारण बालक को मगध साम्राज्य का शासक बनाने वाले आचार्य चाणक्य का। यह दिवस प्रतीक है नरेंद्र दास नामक साधारण व्यक्ति को समाज का उद्धार करने वाले स्वामी विवेकानंद बनाने वाले श्री रामकृष्ण परमहंस का। यह दिवस प्रतीक है शिक्षा और शिक्षक को नई परिभाषा देने वाले डॉक्टर सर्वपल्ली राधाकृष्णन का। और अगर मैं आज के युग में बात करूं तो यह दिवस प्रतीक है हमारे आदरणीय प्रिंसिपल शैलेश नायर से लेकर मित्र समान गर्वित सर तक। बचपन से लेकर आज तक ना जाने ही कितने उतार चढ़ाव, हंसी मस्ती, पढ़ाई लिखाई, हाथापाई के भागीदार बने होंगे हम सब। लेकिन इन सब के बीच मैंने हर मोड़ पे खुद को शिक्षकों से मार्गदर्शन मांगता पाया। भले ही किसी से लड़ाई के बाद घर पे शिकायत ना करने की दरखास्त हो या सबमिशन डेट आगे बढ़ाने की, भले ही वो चोरी छुपे सुबह कैंटीन जाना हो या आंख चुराते हुए हाफ डे में एसटी से घर, लेकिन इन सब के बावजूद शिक्षक एक छात्र का साथ नहीं छोड़ता। और यहाँ आर्किटेक्चर कॉलेज में मुझे दो प्रकार के शिक्षक मिले। एक जिनकी तारीफ मैं अभी तक करता आ रहा था, और एक जो यूं तो दिन भर मेरे साथ ही कुछ ऊटपटांग हरकतों में सम्मिलित रहते हैं, पर एग्ज़ाम से एक दिन पहले पूरा सिलेबस पढ़ा देते हैं, सबमिशन से 2 दिन पहले शीट दे देते हैं और रिजल्ट के टाइम पार्टी की बातें करते हैं। ये है मेरे सहपाठी और सीनियर्स जो आपातकालीन स्थिति में आके मेरी सहायता कर जाते हैं। अपनी वाणी को विराम और आप सभी को शिक्षक दिवस की हार्दिक बधाई देते हुए कुछ पंक्तियां कवि कुमार विश्वास के तर्ज पे लिखी आप सभी के साथ मैं साझा करना चाहूँगा। जहाँ देता जिसे सम्मान जो करता है देश निर्माण, जहाँ देता जिसे सम्मान जो करता है देश निर्माण, जो बनाता तुम्हें इंसान जिसे करते सभी प्रणाम, जो बनाता तुम्हें जिसे करते सभी प्रणाम, जिसकी छाया में मिलता ज्ञान, मिलता ध्यान और परवान, जिसकी छाया में मिलता ध्यान, मिलता ज्ञान और परवान, उसके चरणों को छू लूं मैं, उसका सजदा तो कर लूं मैं, उसके चरणों को छू लूं मैं, उसका सजदा तो कर लूं मैं। धन्यवाद।
गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वर, गुरुर्साक्षात् परं ब्रह्म, तस्मै श्री गुरुदेव नमः, तस्मै श्री गुरुदेव नमः। Me Swasti Jain, second year student of SVIT College, wishing you all a very happy Teachers Day. On this a very grateful day, I want to say something to my teachers. नाम है जिनका जग में सबसे ऊंचा, नाम है जिनका जग में सबसे ऊंचा, वो है गुरु, देवलोक भी करते हैं जिन्हें नमन, वो है गुरु। नाम है जिनका जग में सबसे ऊंचा, वो है गुरु, देवलोक भी करते हैं जिन्हें नमन, वो है गुरु। मिट्टी से सोना बनाने वाले, लक्ष्य को भेदना सिखाने वाले, मिट्टी से सोना बनाने वाले, लक्ष्य को भेदना सिखाने वाले, वो है गुरु। हमारी हर अचीवमेंट पर प्राउड फील करने वाले, वो है गुरु। हर अंधेरे में उजियाला लाने वाले, हर जीवन को रोशन करने वाले, हर अंधेरे में उजियाला लाने वाले, हर जीवन को रोशन करने वाले, वो है गुरु। हमें हमारी बुराइयाँ, हमारी अच्छाइयाँ बताने वाले, वो है गुरु। हर बुझते हुए दीपक में नई आस जगाने वाले, हर बुझते हुए दीपक में नई आस जगाने वाले, वो है गुरु। हमें कामयाबी की सफलता तक पहुंचाने वाले, वो है गुरु। हमें कामयाबी की सफलता तक पहुंचाने वाले, वो है गुरु। खून का रिश्ता ना हो के भी, खून का रिश्ता ना हो के भी, कभी डांट के तो कभी प्यार से समझाने वाले, वो है गुरु। हमारी हर सक्सेस, हमारी हर विनिंग में माँ बाप जितनी ही जिनके चेहरे पर झलकती है खुशी, वो है गुरु। ज्ञान ही नहीं जीवन जीना सिखाते हैं जो, वो है गुरु। ज्ञान का भंडार है वो, और ये भंडार हर जग में लुटाते हैं, वो है गुरु। हर जग जिन्हें करता है नमन, वो है गुरु। नाम है जिनका जग में सबसे ऊंचा, नाम है जिनका जग में सबसे ऊंचा, वो है गुरु। देवलोक भी करते हैं जिन्हें नमन, वो है गुरु। हर जग जिन्हें करता है नमन, वो है गुरु। हर जग जिन्हें करता है नमन, वो है गुरु। So at last, I just want to say, wishing you all a very happy Teachers Day, and thank you so much to all my teachers that you teach us in a very grateful day, even in this situation also. And thanks the Lord that you all listen me. Thank you so much.
Hi everyone, I am Ruti Patel from College of Architecture SVIT. कुछ दिन पहले मेरी फ्रेंड मुझे मैसेज करती है, यार रुतवी, इस बार टीचर्स डे पे कुछ बोलना है और कुछ ऐसा बोलना है कि लोग याद रखें। तब मेरे मुंह से निकला कि सब सच बोल दूं क्या? तो उसने बोला हाँ बता दे। तो आज मैं यहाँ सब सच बोलने आई हूँ, और सच बोलना आसान भी है, बचपन से लेकर जो हुआ वो बताना है। तो चलिए शुरुआत करते हैं। A child meets his teacher on that day, जब दिन थोड़ा सा अलग होता है और जब माँ बाप अपने बच्चे को अपने से अलग भगा रहे होते हैं। And when the kids start hating his parents, एक रोते हुए बच्चे को अपने माँ बाप से दूर भगाने वाली भी आप हो। And after some days, becoming the child's second mother is also you. Teaching A for apple and B for ball is also you. और उसको हक से डांटने वाली भी आप हो। उस छोटे बच्चे का पहला आइडल भी आप हो। इस मस्त जिंदगी के बीच में सर की एंट्री होती है। मेरा सबसे बड़ा खौफ आप हो, पापा से भी ज्यादा आपसे डर लगता है, और मेरे सबसे बड़े दुश्मन भी आप हो। और ऐसा सोचती हूँ सर कभी स्कूल के बाहर तो मिलो। एंड देन आई केम इनटू अ न्यू वर्ल्ड, और यहाँ पर कुछ नए प्रोफेसर्स मिले। मेरे 5 मिनट लेट होने पर मुझे क्लास से बाहर निकालने वाले भी आप हो। And making me realize the value of time is also you. I learned to forgive mistakes of others जब आपने मेरे क्लास में फोन यूज करना नजरअंदाज किया था। मेरी अब तक की आर्किटेक्चरल जर्नी को धक्के देने वाली भी आप हो और यात्रा में हो रही कुछ असुविधा का कारण भी आप हो. Thank you for taking every little efforts which could help us to grow. We all feel very blessed to have such enthusiastic teachers who always motivate us. A very happy Teachers' Day to all teachers.
Hello, respected sir and ma'am. We may not say this every day, but your inspiration's words are like a beautiful footprints that have been etched in our hearts and minds forever. Teacher, one who inspire young minds and a multitasking educational rock stars. A teacher is like a light showing a path to students. A teacher opens up a young mind of being able to think themselves. A teacher grows mental muscles of a students so they can make a decision. A teacher is like a prism, bringing out of students' talent into a many colors. We will always be thankful to you for all your hard works and efforts that you have put in to educate us. Happy Teachers' Day, all of you. Thank you.
On this day, which is celebrated to mark the birthday of our country's former president, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, I wish all the teachers a very happy Teachers' Day. The significance of this day is ever evolving, including taking lessons from life and making your experiences the teachers you needed to shape into who you become. Everyone is special in their own little way. That's what you keep telling us day after day. Find what you're good at and work real hard with love and dedication. You will go far. By far, I realize how hard it has been for the teachers in this pandemic, where they struggle and are still trying to cope up with our new age technologies. So I'd like to try singing a few lines for all the teachers. रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के. रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बहार के. साथी ना कारवां है ये तेरा इम्तिहान है, यूं ही चला चल दिल के सहारे, करती है मंजिल तुझको इशारे. I wish you all joy and happiness. You all are really amazing teachers. हाँ, ये बात है कि हमें कुछ teachers अच्छे नहीं लगते, but I guess that is just because of the difference in thoughts. And keeping those aside today, every teacher deserves the best. You all are the spark, the inspiration, the guide, and the candle to our lives. You are one of the pillars in our success, and I'm really grateful for that.
A precious and delightful good afternoon to everyone.
Today, we, the students of the second year, are here
To express our heartfelt gratitude
to our beloved and respected teachers.
From window to wall, from mind to soul.
Every brick placed and the fruitful knowledge raised.
Wants to thank you all for making us able
to stand on our feet to make our life stable.
And carrying nature till their anger and shade.
There is always a special place in deep inside our hearts.
We thank everyone for providing us this platform to express our feelings.
We still remember our first day of college and no one frightened frog of a whale, I guess.
All stood behind to support our columns of life, to plaster our wall of
the doors and windows of our life, to let in every kind of knowledge.
And became our foundation so that we can stand as a strong and good individual.
Once a man was asked to choose between the God and the teacher.
And the man went for the feet of the teacher and gently replied that
everybody
everybody should praise the God, but it was only possible with the guidance of a teacher.
They showed us the way to reach them that defines that the position of a teacher is even greater than God.
हर महान आदमी उसके कर्मों के लिए जाना जाता है
और वो कर्म करना हमें हमारे गुरु सिखाते हैं। एक माँ हमें जन्म देती है
पर एक गुरु उस जीवन का राज बताता है और उसे जीना सिखाता है।
आज भी अगर जीवन रुक जाता है तो माता पिता के बाद हमेशा गुरु ही याद आता है।
गुरु की दी हुई सीख से इंसान हर मुश्किल हल कर पाता है।
पेन की नीब से लेकर पैंट की जिप तक सब मशीन है सर।
पर इन सब का आविष्कार और उपयोग एक गुरु ही तो सिखाता है।
और चाहे तुम कितने ही बड़े इंसान क्यों ना बन जाओ,
पर उस मुकाम को हासिल करना हमेशा गुरु ही तो सिखाता है।
It seems to be very easy to control a class, but ask a teacher how they does so.
Learning what is taught is easier than teaching what is learned.
And that is how a teacher must be defined for hard work, dedication, patience and knowledge.
Also, we want to thank you for your scoldings.
Because they only lead us to improve, to think outside the box.
To develop our skill and achieve great heights.
You may get angry from outside, but we all know that
There will always be love and care from inside.
it is said that practice makes man perfect, so well defined by you all.
Either in the form of reduced wicket or working even after the recess break.
You have always tried to put a healthy environment in each one of us.
Every moment you are with us gives a great feeling of protectiveness.
फिर चाहे आईडी कार्ड ना पहना हो या जूरी का प्रिपेयर ना किया हो।
Your presence provides a confidence in every such situation.
Someone may not have parents, friends and relatives, but always find someone as a teacher in their life.
Students are like smartphones, but teacher is its internet connection.
With the help of it, we can explore much more rather than using Xender.
खींचते थे हम आधी टेढ़ी लकीरें, आपने ही तो पैरेलल बांधना सिखाया है।
सेट स्क्वायर के दम पर हमें हर एंगल से लाइफ को जीना चाहिए।
डिस्कशन की बात है तो हमने आपको दिन रात खूब सताया,
पर फिर भी आपने मुस्कुराकर उस चीज को पूरा फिर से दोहराया।
कॉलेज में हमारे पहले कदम से पुष्पम के गेट पे आखिरी कदम तक
हर छोटी सी छोटी चीज का हमें बार बार याद दिलाया।
कैंटीन के चाय समोसे के दम पर पूरा दिन सबमिशन कराया।
पर हर सिचुएशन से निपटना आखिर आप ही ने तो सिखाया।
आज हम सब धन्य हैं आप सभी को पाकर।
हर सुख में हर दुख में आप सभी का साथ पाकर।
आपको अपना यार बनाकर, आपको अपना प्यार बनाकर।
डांट खाकर मार खाकर कुछ समय का आराम पाकर।
जीवन के सुनहरे पन्नों पर गलतियों को इतिहास बनाकर।
पर हम हमेशा रखना चाहते हैं इस कॉलेज को अपना एक परिवार बनाकर।
We promise that with the help of the seeds of knowledge you gave,
we plant such trees whose fruits and flower everyone will have.
We promise to fulfill your every hope and in architecture have a great scope.
It has already been so long, so we end up with this practical note.
कि शिक्षक और किताबों से करोगे अगर चाहत
तो पालोगे हर ज्ञान, हर मंजिल, हर मुकाम।
फिर चाहे जूरी में जूरर कितना भी हो घातक, हर तरह की कठिनाइयों से मिल सकती है तुम्हें राहत।
और इन्हीं पंक्तियों के साथ हम लेना चाहते हैं भाषण अंत करने की इजाजत।
So, at last we all want to conclude our speech by thanking you all and wishing that our SVIT family lives forever. Thank you, have a nice day and happy Teachers Day once again.
Till then, let's start our quiz game for the faculties. I request Jenny Shah to present and I hand over the platform to Raju and Kripali.
Good afternoon, everyone. Happy Teachers Day to our faculties. Now we start with a quiz game called Who Am I? The game is a battle between the male faculties versus the female faculties. The team has to guess the building by reading the phrase Each team will get 40 seconds to guess the building. If they fail to guess, the quiz will pass to the another team. The correct team will get 10 points. So let's start with this. Rajvi.
Okay, next slide. So basically, first rules are there that all questions are for male faculties and even questions are faculties. Sirs, only you have to answer that, and no fees will answer that. And at last, we will count. The first question is that my leaning legs support my glass body as I twirl with my better half on the streets of. Who am I? So there are only 40 seconds to answer the right question. Any guesses?
You would have provided multiple choice question.
Sorry, ma'am.
I just have one concern here. If you would have provided us that multiple choice based question, that would be like very easy for us to like give answers. Yeah.
But it will be easy. Just read a phrase.
So, Janisha, that question was for male faculty.
Ma'am, any guesses?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Is it Dancing House?
Yes.
Yes, sir. Correct.
Yes, sir. Right.
Okay.
I will give opportunity to question Krupali.
The audio is ready if you want to play.
I glow in the moonlight on the bank of Yamuna. The whole world knows me as a symbol of
Taj
love.
Mahal. Taj Mahal.
Yes.
Yes, correct.
Taj Mahal. Taj Mahal. Yes.
Tajvi for the male faculty.
So right now there are equal scores. Now this question is for male faculties. Years ago, a fault made me famous. Even today, I welcome my admirers with a bow. Who am I? This is very easy. Any guesses?
Bilbo.
It's a turn for the male faculty.
Wrong answer.
It's a turn for the male. This question is for male faculty. Ten, 9, 8, 7.
Leaning
6.
Tower?
Yes, correct.
Yes, sir, right. 2 points for male faculties and 1 point for female faculties.
Now the another one is for the female faculty, Krupali.
I am from a new generation, yet I celebrate my ancestors. My transparent form will direct you towards them. Who am I?
Louvre Pyramid. Louvre Pyramid.
Yes.
Paris.
I think female faculty is
For the male faculty.
Sir, बोल रहे female faculty.
Okay, next question. Standing out as a wonder of modernism, my fluidic curves give me identity. Who am I? This is a very famous building.
No more clues.
Guggenheim Museum.
Ma'am, it's a turn for male faculty.
Oh, sorry.
Guggenheim Bilbao?
No.
Wrong answer. Only one guess left.
जयश्री मैम बाद में बोलना
10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
It's back to the female
Bilbao.
faculty.
It's Bilbao by Franco Gehry.
No, it's
It's Guggenheim by in New York.
no, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Curves है ना curves.
It is made by Hong Kong. Yes, Zaha Hadid building.
Yes.
Zaha Hadid is not modernist, yaar.
And this building is part of modernism.
Redo.
No.
Okay, fine. We will reveal the answer.
Quiz master को
It's Haider Ali by Zaha Hadid. We said that. Zaha Hadid बोला तो था. We said that. Haider Ali.
But name
This is by
nahi.
Zaha.
Sorry, ma'am, we didn't get it.
Okay, next question.
Living as a heart of my city, my golden soul bring peace
Sir,
of
if the
mind.
question is
Who
wrong,
am
then
I?
what to do? If the question is wrong, because I feel that question was wrong given.
Sorry, sir.
That question was wrong.
Why,
What you
sir?
had put up. So you have to put another question.
Sir, quiz master is always right.
Golden Temple, Amritsar.
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
सर यही चीज हमें
मैत्री
एग्जाम में भी
मंदिर।
होती है सर.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am. Correct.
अच्छा ये मैत्री मंदिर. Okay. Yeah.
So the points where the female faculty are running forward.
This is different, yaar. This is different.
And the question is for the male faculty.
Even though an excellent part of me, my charm continue to exist as before.
Sagrada Familia.
हम बोलना चाहते हैं हम.
No,
No, sir.
It's the Notre Dame.
Ma'am, it's a turn for the male faculty.
Sagrada Familia. Sagrada Familia.
No.
Question.
This
Notre
actually.
Dame.
तो हमको पॉइंट्स मिल गए ना इन शॉर्ट.
पर वैसे भी आप
Cheating है ये.
But male
It's too easy question.
ये ले लो ना. चालू है.
अरे मेल के अंदर फीमेल बोलेंगे तो उनका मार्क्स काट दो.
नेक्स्ट टाइम से कर सकते
ऐसा नहीं
हैं.
करो सर. सर ऐसा मत करो.
हैज टू बी अ रैपिड राउंड. ऐसे मेल फीमेल नहीं करना होता है. जो पहले क्लिक करते हैं उसको मार्क्स देने चाहिए.
Actually.
मैम बट फिर इक्वल कैसे होगा? फीमेल फैकल्टी ज्यादा है तो
हम आगे चले जाएंगे.
no,
मैम ये हमारा एग्जाम है. दे दो.
यस सर क्या बोल रहे हैं?
हमारे पास प्रिंसिपल है.
नहीं आई फील स्टूडेंट्स ने जो डिवाइस किया ना उसको है चुपचाप एडर करो.
हाँ दी क्विज मास्टर इज ऑलवेज राइट.
हाँ क्विज मास्टर के ऊपर ये करने का बहुत सवाल जवाब मत करो. दिस इज नॉट ए जूरी.
सर हमारी तो छुट्टी हो गई ना ये.
एंड वी आर स्टूडेंट्स टुडे.
Today we are students. Yes.
पर सर फिर हम ऐसा बोलेंगे तो आप हमारे मार्क्स कट कर दोगे.
नहीं
So वो वाला आंसर फीमेल फैकल्टी ने दे दिया था, तो अब ये क्वेश्चन मेल फैकल्टी को जाता है.
What I am from within is what I appear from outside. Who am I?
मेल फैकल्टीज.
सर आंसर कीजिए फिर आपको मार्क्स नहीं मिलेंगे आगे.
हाँ सर. इजी है ये वाला भी इजी है.
We don't attempt.
Is Wanderers Museum.
No.
No, sir.
सर एक बार फ्रेज को मतलब पढ़िए अच्छे से, पता चल जाएगा.
सर आपके पास 3 चांस है अभी.
अच्छा.
Glass house.
No.
No, sir.
2 chance left.
सर लाइफलाइन ले लो.
एक्सपर्ट एडवाइस.
वाइल्ड कार्ड नहीं है क्या?
नहीं है सर, इसमें नो लाइफलाइन.
एक्सपर्ट एडवाइस में क्रिसमस को पूछ रहा हूँ.
सर ये तो काउंसिल से बाहर का क्वेश्चन हो गया.
सर ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन है आपके पास.
हाँ सर, ये लास्ट क्वेश्चन है.
क्विज का ऑप्शन है सर.
थोड़ी हिंट्स दे दो.
सर ऑडियंस पोल ले लो सर.
हाँ सर, अगर हिंट्स चाहिए तो मिल सकती है.
जेनिफर
DONKEY कर.
एक मिनट बीच में मत बोलो ना. रॉस है.
आपने हिस्ट्री में पढ़ा है हमको ये.
हाँ यस.
नो मैं उतना भी पुराना नहीं.
दे दूं.
वेट.
थोड़े क्वेश्चन लैंडस्केप रिलेटेड भी डालते ना. पहले बिल्डिंग के हिस्ट्री के ही डाले.
पीपीटी का कलर है ना ग्रीन.
ओपी
सर ओपी.
टेपल रोशन.
नो सर. वेरी फेमस बिल्डिंग.
सर एक हिंट है.
आईफिल
अच्छा मार्क्स कट हो गए बाद में. सर इसमें सब एक्सपोज्ड है.
क्या?
सर्विसेज.
यस मैम.
अरे सर्विसेज क्यों बोला? वो तो डायरेक्ट है, हिंट नहीं है.
कर रहे थे.
और what is from inside, what is outside, मतलब क्या? Outside is inside and inside is outside. ऐसा होना चाहिए. It is inside out.
No spoon feeding.
वो है मतलब.
Thank you रोहिना.
Students, quiz master is always right. Don't interrupt.
Thank you.
Sorry ma'am, yes you're right.
Thank you ma'am. Thank you
ma'am.
So basically female faculties win this round.
Yes.
Wow, so
always.
I hope all the faculties enjoyed as much as we do in college. So next we have mimicking audios. Please Taha sir play.
Making audio.
Addressing the faculties. हमको तीनों को इधर ही बुला लेने का. कुछ हटाने की जरूरत नहीं है. हमको इधर ही बुला लेने का. बैकग्राउंड देखिएगा ना. और क्या करना है, दूसरा कैमरा से एक फोटो भी ले लो. प्रेस को बुला लो. फोटो भी ले लो.
मैं फोटो ले लेता हूँ.
गुड मॉर्निंग क्लास.
हेलो.
क्यों इतने जन हैं? एवरीबॉडी आर नॉट हियर. ग्रुप पे लिंक डाला तो सबको बोलो ना ज्वाइन हो. आधे लोग तो डिस्कस भी नहीं करवाते अभी तक. और क्लास भी.
शैलेश पटेल.
અલા એ મને લાગે છે ઘણ્યા ગોઠ્યા 5-10 જણ ડિસ્કસ કરાવે છે દર વખતે. બાકી બધા તો વિડીયો કેમેરા બંધ કરીને કેફે વેફે નહીં જતા લાગે છે. હો એટલે તમે જરા રેગ્યુલર લો ક્લાસમાં અને રાખો ડિસ્કસ. બાકી સપ્ટેમ્બરમાં છે ને તમારી ટોપલી ઊંધી પડશે.
Good morning. I'm audible.
Yes sir, you're audible.
तो what dismissed today? What students come at? 5 minutes से join किया है. कोई दिखा नहीं मेरे को. जल्दी शैलेश सर, tell students to join fast immediately. WhatsApp पर वार्निंग दे दो एक बार.
और फैकल्टीज, आपके सब्जेक्ट में स्टूडेंट्स का कैसा परफॉर्मेंस है, मेरे को जरा बताओ ना।
यस सर, जी सर। सर एक्चुअली सर हमारे क्लास में सर सब अटेंटिव है, असाइनमेंट्स भी देते हैं टाइम पे। पर सर इन लोग का मेन प्रॉब्लम है कि बहुत लेट ज्वाइन होते हैं। 9 बजे का लिंक बना तो 9:30 तक ज्वाइन होते हैं। मैम पल्लव मैम रोज थक जाते हैं बोलते बोलते, ज्वाइन नहीं करते। और मेन प्रॉब्लम वीडियो कैमरा ऑन नहीं रखते कोई।
अच्छा, एंड आई वांट टू नो द प्रोग्रेस ऑफ अदर सब्जेक्ट्स.
શૈલેષ એમને એ બી કહે કે આ લોકોને કામ તો છે ને એકદમ પરફેક્ટ હોય છે, પણ આ લોકો છે ને ઓનલાઈન ક્લાસમાં ડિસ્કસ નથી કરાવતા હોય, વોટ્સએપ પર 3 વાગ્યા પછી મોકલે છે.
તમને કોઈ બોન પડે છે હે? ભૂતભૂત પડે તમને? તમને અત્યારે ડિસ્કશન કરવાનો ટાઈમ મળે તો કરો ને, પછી એ વોટ્સએપ પર મોકલે છે કે સર કેન આઈ ડિસ્કસ. એ તો રીત છે કઈ? હે મારે કે તમારા પાસે બરોડા આવીને સબમિશન માંગવાના હે?
So I am hearing such a complaints by all faculties. So complete your submissions and assignment time to time. And there is a thing is, please appreciate all the faculties as they are really working hard to teach you online. So please really appreciate them. Thank you. Okay, now you can continue your class.
Okay sir, thank you sir. So students, we can continue our class and go ahead now.
नायर सर तो छाए हुए थे.
सर मैडम उसका मतलब क्या है, सबसे ज्यादा गुस्सा मेरे ऊपर है?
नहीं नहीं, सबसे ज्यादा
No offense, sir. No offense.
गुड गुड.
Thank you, sir. Next, we have a flashback video of previous years when we of all the fun and remembrances that we did in previous years. So, because of the pandemic, we all are facing several problems. One challenge for all the teachers is distant teaching. I would like to invite Pragnesh sir to say a few words about his experience of the current teaching mode. Pragnesh sir, please. Hello, Pragnesh sir. So, if not, then Ashwin sir, please.
Thanks for making me Murga, online Murga. Yeah. See, there is always positive and negative of any new system. This has come all together as a surprise to students also and to the faculty also, that we have to teach online. If the same thing would have been done uh, in past, nobody would have accepted it. But a very small organism like virus has made us do many things which we can't imagine. And we also don't know whether this will continue or whether this will have some kind of an end. On your side, students, you are now suddenly missing the college, which earlier we used to pray that you come to the college. And teaching online has many difficulties like network and like getting connectivity on both sides, on your side also and on our side also. And whatever we want to deliver one to one is missing altogether. Like especially in studios, where student needs lots of discussion with teachers. But here, what happens is that you have to teach you all in a group, and students feel sometimes that they are not getting enough. That is what I would not continue more because there's a big function which you are having in your mind. So that's all. Yes, Muskan. I'll end my speech here.
Thank you so much, sir. Uh, Pragnesh sir is here. If he wants to speak something. So, Vigna ma'am, please.
Yes, Muskan, I was thinking that I should not appear immediately as you all do it. थोड़ा बाल बनाते हैं या पता नहीं क्या करते होते हो. See, online teaching, sir ने तो बहुत अच्छी तरह बोला, little microorganism changed our whole world. We would have not accepted before, but how easily, and even we are trying hard to cope up some places like studios. But I would always like to say you all, and again I'm telling you all, self-motivation, which will make you and us to grow, right? So self-motivation you all need to have. Even we also keep ourselves motivated because we really don't know when this is going to end. And another, as on a Teacher's Day, I would like to say that you be the change in the world. I always tell you all that teaching, learning is going to be there all the time. But if you find that you want to have some change, you need to change yourself and you should be the first person to get the change. And a very nice organized program you all did. I mean, synchronization right from the speech to mimicry to please, oh, it was excellent. ये तो आपका ही प्लेटफॉर्म है और आप लोगों ने बहुत अच्छी तरह से you had present. Good day to all and happy teachers to everyone present here. Thank you, Muskan. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Ronak sir, please, you want to say some words?
Ronak sir is busy with some stuff, so he will join me later.
So, no problem. Shailesh sir, if you want to say something.
कौन सा शैलेश?
Sir, you.
There are two Shailesh. See, actually, this online teaching has made us go back to school. At least we faculties. So now we sit, when we meet in the morning, we all discuss Google Meet में कैसा करने का, how to put the assignment, how to do this, how to do that. So we are all learning from each other. So this is totally a new system for us. But I'm very happy that we all picked it up so fast that now all of us are expert. You might have seen the webinars and all these programs which is happening. It is so well synchronized now, which we thought that it would be very difficult in the beginning. Only the issue is... Pardon?
Sir, you have made us experts.
No, I have not made it.
You have made us experts. Just because of, yes.
No, I am also in the learning process.
Your initiative has. But
Sir, आप जैसा समुद्र के सामने तो मैं एक पानी का टिप्पा हूँ.
नमकीन हो गया sir.
Anyway, it was very nice, well arranged program from the morning by the magazine team also, and also by the students council. I know that how much I have been running after Dutt and the entire team, firing them. So ultimately the result has come. The program was very nice, very nicely coordinated. We never felt that we are far from each other. But one thing I must admit, that we all are missing you. Yeah. So that is what I want to say. I hope these things gets over very soon and we all meet in the college again and we'll have a live programs. So we are waiting for that day to come. Thank you.
Thank you.
Yes, thank you so much, sir. So today we are also felicitating the daughter of our Piyun Dashrath Bhai. Her name is Payal Dashrath Bhai Veragda. She has secured 98.7% in BED exam with mathematics as the main subject from Sardar Patel University. This felicitation will be done by Principal of Architecture, Professor Sailesh Nair. Please, sir.
See, on behalf of College of Architecture, faculty, students, staff, everybody, let us take this opportunity to felicitate. .7% in her B.Ed exam. And I'm very happy to tell you that she's aspiring to write for UPS exam. So this is really a woman empowerment example, and that is happening from our college. So on behalf of all of you, let me give a small token of appreciation to her. It might not be big, but it is a very small token of appreciation, our love towards her and for a better future.
ओके सर थैंक यू वेरी मच, आपका बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया.
शुक्रिया क्या, आगे बढ़ो.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, sir. Next, we have results of our caricature competition. But first, I would like to request Bhavik to present all the artworks by the students.
તમે જોયું મારામાં બંધ થઈ ગયું.
Ronak sir, oh madam.
This is very cute.
Who is he? Loknath sir. Ruturaj.
Here, Salish sir. Ronak sir.
Madam.
Salish Nair sir.
Super. Loknath sir.
So, this is very nice.
Mukul sir. Nice sir. मतलब
रौनक सर हॉट फेवरेट लगते हैं, चौथा पांचवा रौनक सर आए।
Yes, done.
और ये बहुत सारे
एक काम करो, ये इंडिविजुअल
पटेल, शैलेश
ये
पटेल
इंडिविजुअल
सर,
इंडिविजुअल
नायर
व्हाट्सएप में
सर,
डालो।
हाँ।
हाँ, इंडिविजुअल व्हाट्सएप में डाल दो।
ओके सर।
हाँ सर.
I request our principal, Professor Sailesh Nair, to announce the winners.
Okay, just a minute.
Caricature competition.
Okay, the winners, let me announce. The third prize goes to Kruti from third year. Kruti from third year.
Thank you, sir.
Can you show that? इसका था.
Can you appreciate this?
Okay.
Perfect.
Madam.
The second prize goes to Dhruv Panchal, second year.
Come, Ronak. Come here. Ronak. So good. With expressions and everything.
Expression बहुत सही है. Okay, the first prize goes to Kunjal Mistry, 5th year. Okay. मेरे को पर्पल मिला. Congratulations to all the winners. You have done a good job.
Congratulations to all. Now I request SPRY President Dutt Patel to deliver the vote of thanks and conclude the event.
Good afternoon, teachers. Good afternoon, students. Teachers are the role models to young generation. They affect the heart of every child and they continue to affect the eternity in the days to come. Dear respected teachers, our guiding stars, wishing you all a very happy Teachers' Day. We feel it is our great pride and honor on this day to thank you all who play a great role in making who we are. Our first thanks goes to our loving principal, Professor Sailesh Nair, who is the source of all inspiration and who always guides us in keeping the future in mind and prepare us to face the problems in a positive attitude. We take immense pleasure in thanking our HOD of Interior Design, Professor Ronak Patel, for guiding us throughout the year in various programs. Thank you, sir, for encouraging us and making us confident. Thank you, sir, for your affection. Next, our heart goes to all the teachers who have molded themselves according to the current COVID condition and are teaching us with the same enthusiasm and same zeal in the online classes. Thank you so much, faculties. Last but not the least, I would like to thank our Students' Council for organizing this function successfully and also the students for their support. We need your support during this COVID condition, and thank you so much for that. Thank you.